Good morning.
Good morning.
Cozy.
I was just about to say that.
I said it.
Cozy today.
Finn, no.
Hey. No.
He always.
He jumps in the.
Every single. Hey.
Oh, hello. Oh, look at. Hey, no, those are my strings. That's my ear. None of that.
He missed you.
None of that.
Anyway, every single time Garrett and I hug, he jumps up on us because he can't be left out for a second. 1 second. Anyway, so this morning, yesterday I had a really bad headache and then I woke up with like a migraine today. So I did not go to the gym, but Garrett just went. How was it?
It was good. I did legs. I did heavy legs. Hey, no.
So my nails are ratchet. Look at that one. And then this guy just came off.
None of that.
So I think I'm gonna do dip this time because it's better for your nails. And
yeah, I'll do some queso with that.
Nice. So I have a meeting in like an hour. Honey, calm down. Sit. Good puppuccino. So I have a meeting in like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go do that. And Garrett's might work from home today just because it's so casual day.
I need to get a haircut because I'm looking like Bozo the Clown.
And then tonight, I think we're gonna go to my parents' house. I just mumbled that whole thing. Did you notice that? I was like, today we're going to my parents' house. They got a Christmas tree and I'm gonna help her decorate it, my mother, and he's gonna watch a movie with my father. Mother and father.
Football.
Or football. Anyway, okay, bye. He's so cute. Hi, my tall boy. And my short husband. I'm just kidding.
I'm above average height.
Above average.
Above average.
I'm leaving. He's not leaving. Oh, look at him sit. Yep. Good boy. He always just puts like one little hip on there. Okay, now you're not gonna show them? Okay, bye family, love you. Before and after. I don't know that I'm obsessed with it. I wanted something that was more natural because these are my natural nails. I had him cut them down a little bit more just because I work with my hands so much and they usually break. And the dip colors have like, actually no, I do like it. It looks really, really light in there, but I like it better out here. But yeah, this is the dip powder and natural nails. I don't like this shape, but I didn't really realize he was making this shape until it was too late. I usually do oval just because it looks more flattering. But, you know, whatever. Still looks good. And we're back to this.
Here we are. He loves to do this for some reason.
Finny, you look like you're choking him.
I'm not. I'm just trying to, ow, I'm trying to hold you up.
Finn, stop it. Hey! He hates this. Hey! Sit!
Hey!
Finn! Hey! Sit. Finn. Sit. You're not listening. Sit. Okay, so watch. My hand is normal. Finn, normal hand? Okay. He hates when you do this. Ready? He always attacks us when we do
predator. He's gonna kill him.
Get him. You do it.
Finn.
Predator hands.
Right here? Hey, no. Okay, no. No. Stay. Okay, stay. Ready? And then 1, 2, 3.
Feels like a weekend again for me. I'm just very tired from this past weekend. Like I said, I woke up with a headache and I just kind of felt out of it all day, but I had that meeting and I came home and hung out with Garrett a little bit and laid low slightly. But now I've just been working in the office for the past couple hours. I actually have a call I have to get on in about an hour, but I'm doing some research and stuff to get ready for that. So I just made myself a margarita because I haven't had a drink in like a while actually. So I'm gonna drink a margarita and continue to work in the office and giving Finny some dinner. This is a Monday, but this kind of feels like my weekend just because I was working over the weekend. So Our truck's engine light just went on yesterday, and there was also an email that we got the other day that GMC had a recall on some of their trucks. So we don't know if that's what it is or if it's something else. So Garrett's gone doing that. I'm here with the little dude. And then we're gonna go decorate the tree in a couple hours with my parents. And probably bring the cider over there and have some hot cider. Sit, buddy. Sit. Stay. Pray. Sit. You messed up. Pray. Dear Jesus, amen. Okay. Such a good boy.
Nothing's wrong with the truck. It's just a newer truck. So basically, the old trucks used to just burn the gas and the oil and blah 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 blah. So stop. So he just said the environmentally friendly part of the truck isn't working correctly. So he said,
did he fix it?
He turned off the light. Said if it comes back on in the next couple days, then he's like, yeah, you'll probably have to get like a sensor replaced or something like that, which is $25.
Oh. He's so cute. What's going on over here? Finny. Come.
Stop.
Come.
Finn.
Ooh, water from the sink? Come on. Here, water.
Christmas Eve, and I've still got nothing for you. I'm out on a last minute spree, hoping to find that something that makes you see that I love you.
I've been out running all day, nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to every corner of this godforsaken mall. What in the world would be that something that made you see that I love you?
All I've got to give for Christmas is this, a Christmas kiss. Close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. It's something you won't be soon forgetting. share and take with us
So, we just got home. Finny boy's back there. And we're gonna do our Instagram shout out so I can edit this video. It's like 10:11 right now. So if you wanna be next video's Instagram shout out, go follow.
Garrett_Terrell.
And Tay Terrell. He's annoyed because I'm sitting on him and he's trying to play Fortnite. Every guy in the world. Okay, so shout out.
Everybody.
Shout out to Red Raven on Instagram. Thanks for the follow. And we will see you guys tomorrow.
And also shout out to the_flower10. Thanks for the follow. Justin LaFleur.
Okay.
Thanks for the follow, man.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.